Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Paul, and today we are going to talk about something that many English learners struggle with.
Hello everyone, I'm Lena. We're very happy that you joined us again for another English learning conversation.
Today's topic is very important, especially for beginners who want to improve their English speaking skills.
Yes, today we will talk about how to start speaking English easily, even if you are a complete beginner.
Many learners understand English when they read or listen, but when it comes to speaking, they feel nervous.
That's true. They often think too much before speaking, and sometimes they feel afraid of making mistakes.
But the good news is that speaking English can become easier with the right methods and regular practice.
Exactly. In this video, we will share simple tips that will help beginners start speaking English more confidently.
So if you want to improve your English speaking skills, watch this video till the end.
Let's get started.
Lena, many beginners say they feel shy or nervous when they try to speak English. Why do you think this happens?
Well, Paul, one of the biggest reasons is the fear of making mistakes. Many learners believe they must speak perfect English, and this pressure makes them nervous.
Yes, they worry that people might laugh at them or judge them.
Exactly. But the truth is that making mistakes is a normal part of learning any language. Even people who speak English very well today made many mistakes when they were learning.
That's a very important point.
Another reason beginners hesitate is because they often translate sentences in their mind from their native language to English.
That can make speaking slow and difficult.
Yes, and it also makes learners feel less confident. That is why beginners should start with simple English sentences instead of long, complicated ones.
So Lena, what is the easiest way for beginners to start speaking English?
The best way is to start with very simple sentences that are used in everyday life.
Can you give some examples?
Of course. Beginners can start with sentences like, I am hungry. I am tired. I am learning English. I like reading books. I want to drink water.
Those sentences are very simple and easy to remember.
Yes, and using simple sentences helps learners become comfortable with speaking English.
So beginners should not worry about speaking long or complex sentences at the beginning.
Exactly. Confidence starts with small steps.
Many learners say they want to improve their speaking, but they don't practice regularly. How important is daily practice?
Daily practice is extremely important. Speaking English is like any other skill. The more you practice, the better you become.
That makes sense.
Even practicing for 10 to 15 minutes a day can help learners improve their speaking ability.
What kind of practice can beginners do every day?
They can speak about their daily routine, describe what they are doing, or talk about their plans for the day.
So speaking about simple topics is enough.
Yes. The goal is to make speaking English a daily habit.
Some learners say they don't have anyone to practice English with. What should they do?
Even if you are learning alone, you can still practice speaking English.
How can someone do that?
One effective method is talking to yourself in English. For example, you can describe what you are doing during the day.
Can you give an example?
Sure, someone might say, I am making tea. I am studying English now. I am going to the market. I am watching a video.
That sounds like a very simple and practical way to practice.
Yes, and it helps your brain start thinking in English naturally.
Another helpful technique I often hear about is listening and repeating. Can you explain how that works?
Of course. Listening to English and repeating what you hear is a great way to improve pronunciation and speaking confidence.
Where can learners find English content to practice this method?
They can watch English learning videos, listen to podcasts, or watch simple conversations.
And then repeat the sentences they hear?
Exactly. They can pause the video and repeat the sentence aloud. This helps learners practice the rhythm and pronunciation of English.
That sounds like a very effective speaking exercise.
Yes, and it also improves listening skills at the same time.
Lena, confidence seems to be a very important part of speaking English.
Yes, confidence plays a huge role. When learners feel confident, they speak more naturally and comfortably.
But confidence doesn't come instantly.
That's right. Confidence grows slowly with practice and experience.
So beginners should not feel discouraged if they make mistakes.
Exactly. Instead of worrying about mistakes, they should focus on communication.
Speaking regularly will naturally improve their confidence.
Yes, and every small improvement should be celebrated.
Before we end today's conversation, Lena, do you have any final advice for beginners who want to start speaking English easily?
Yes, my biggest advice is to practice every day and never be afraid of making mistakes.
That's very encouraging.
Start with simple sentences, speak about your daily activities, listen to English regularly, and repeat what you hear.
Those are very practical tips.
Also remember that learning a language takes time and patience. Improvement will happen gradually.
So the most important thing is consistency.
Exactly. If you practice a little every day, your English speaking skills will improve naturally.
Thank you everyone for listening to our conversation today.
We hope this video helps you start speaking English with confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone, and happy learning.